What does green dot on Snapchat mean? Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to App Hacks. In today's video, we'll be talking about what the green dot on Snapchat means. So let us jump right into it. First, open up your Snapchat. After you open your Snapchat, if you go to your friends section, if you scroll down for a bit, you will see on the quick add section the green dots. Now, what does those mean? Those green dots are the activity indicators. What these means is that they have been active on Snapchat recently. Now, this is enabled by default. This feature can be turned off. Now, if this is not turned off for you, you are presented to other people with the green dot if you are active on Snapchat. So yeah, that is basically it. The green dot on Snapchat means that the people or the users are currently active on Snapchat. And yeah, that is all for this video. I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, leave a like down below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching guys. Bye bye.